Hey guys, welcome my channel. If your house is like ours, you're probably sweeping, vacuuming or even just bending over with a wet paper towel after dinner to get rid of the bits of food that inevitably make it onto the kitchen floor after cooking. Now with robot vacuums, there are devices that can do this job for you. While robot vacuums can't totally make floor cleaning a thing of the past, they can make floor cleaning happen less often in your home, and you don't need to break the bank to afford one. So let's get started our video. Number 5. It's better quality product in this list. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 4. This is one of the best product in this video. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. If you want more information about this product, please check description box. Number 3. This product quality is very good. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 2. This product full details. Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime.
Number 1.
This product full details.
Order. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Price can be changed anytime. Thanks for watching.